Reviews AI. So this replies to your Google and your Facebook reviews in your brand voice so that you never miss a review and you are always going back. So I never thought I'd be getting that excited about reviews, but now I realize the impact it has on so many areas of your business. This is something that you really want to pay attention to. So getting reviews online, whether it's Google reviews or TripAdvisor or something like that, as I said, plays a massive impact on how you are discovered with AI search. AI search loves credibility, and so they are always going to prioritize the people that have a good solid base of reviews because they know that you're credible. So I really recommend focusing on this a lot and making sure that you are getting as many reviews as possible. But it's one thing to get reviews, and it's another thing to make sure that you're commenting on them as well and replying to them. Now, this can take a lot of time, especially if you are getting a lot of reviews in. My partner is a hairdresser and he owns a hair salon. So think about how many clients they're doing every day. They're getting loads of reviews, which is amazing, but it's a lot. It's like a full-time job to reply to them. Now, with Reviews AI, you can actually have your AI set up so that it's automatically going to respond to those reviews, again, increasing your ranking and increasing your search, but also it shows that you really care as well. Now, if you've got loads of reviews that you haven't replied to and you're kind of thinking like, oh, I know I need to get back to them, but that feels like a full-time job, then Reviews AI is also going to go back and comment on all of those for you as well. So again, it's going to boost everything up. This is a huge thing for people to do, and I'm really excited to dive into this. So maybe you're thinking, who am I to be talking about this? So I'm actually an ex-professional dancer, which I know doesn't make any sense at all, but now I'm an AI and automation consultant. I own a GoHighLevel SaaS. I built an agency to 50K a month in 6 months. And I recently spoke at the High Level Summit in Dallas on the AI track. But most importantly, I'm a mum of 2 young kids. So everything that I do is around creating more time and leveraging my time. And that's why I absolutely love all of these AI tools. So before we get into it, there's a couple of things that I want you to do first. First of all, I want you to hit the like button. This tells YouTube that you like this video, that you want more content like this. And also it gives me a little bit of love as well, which is always good. The second thing is to download this video. Now, this whole training is not like a just watch it once and forget it. So click the download button and then you can watch this even when you don't have Wi-Fi. Third one is drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what business are you in, how long have you been in this business, and what would you really love to get out of this? And of course, anything that I don't cover in this video, make sure that you let me know, because I'm always going to be doing a second part, and these videos are all for you. So I want to make sure that you're getting everything that you need in order to move forward. And lastly, if this video helps you decide that High Level is the platform for you and you want to get signed up to it, all I ask is that you use my affiliate link below. So if you click the link below, you can get a 30-day free trial. Normally you get 14 days, but you get 30 days with my link, and it means that you can try it out, see how you like it. And when you join through my affiliate link, it also means you're going to get added to my community. So you get access to all of my courses, weekly live coaching with me, my whole community, all my templates and snapshots and things like that. So if you are thinking about joining High Level, then definitely click that link to get access to all of that. If you're already with High Level and you want to upgrade your account, then you can also use my affiliate link, and that will also give you access to my community as well. Or if you are already part of High Level and you don't want to upgrade, you can click the link below and you can also join my community. So let's get going. Let's set up our Reviews AI. Okay, so reviews is actually really quick. This is going to be a really short tutorial, but what you're going to do is come to reputation in your menu. Then you're going to come over to reviews at the top here, and you can see all of your list of reviews there. You've also got overview here, which is kind of like an overview of everything that you've got going on. And you'll see here you've got AI recap. So this is where you can check out all of your reviews and kind of get like a summary of what's going on with all of your reviews. So if you click on here, it's going to take you back to the reviews page, and you can do AI summary up here in the corner. You can choose the source. You might want it to summarize all of your reviews, or you might want it to just do your Google reviews or just do your Facebook or whatever it is. And then put in the start date. If you want a specific start date that you want it to summarize, click summarize, and then it's going to generate it for you, and it's going to populate over here. What we want to do now though is I want to show you how you can actually set up your Reviews AI agent so that you can have your reviews responded to automatically. So if you come over to settings, you've got Reviews AI at the top here, and you've got 3 options. So you've got off. So that is if you don't want AI talking to them at all, you just want your humans to reply, and they're going to do it manually. Suggestive is where humans are still going to reply, but they're going to be prompted with a response that they could put in, and they can adjust it and change it, and it's not going to do it automatically. Or also responses is where the AI is just going to step in straight away. So you've got wait time before responding. I typically have this at about 5 minutes, because when someone sends a review, you don't normally respond like a text message. So it's not like you get a text message and then you respond straight away. So if you do it with no minutes, which is what it will automatically populate to, no minutes will just make it too quick and it just feels a bit unnatural. So I normally do 5 minutes. And then here, this is where you can actually create a drip mode to go back through all of your old reviews and respond to all of the ones that you haven't responded to. So you can see here, I've got one unreplied review. You're going to have a list of however many that you've got here. And what you can do is click create campaign, and you can start to create a drip campaign. Drip means it kind of does it in sections. So it's not going to reply to all 300 at once. You want to drip it so that you're just doing a few a day. Otherwise, Google thinks that something fishy is going on and you've got a bot in place. So let's just do the name of this as test. Only reply to reviews older than 14 days. You could do this for whatever time frame you want. And we're going to reply daily, and I want to do 10 replies a day. So you could just do this weekly if you want. If you've got less than that, you could do more replies per day if you want, but typically this is the good time to go with. Whatever is pre-populated here is based on guidelines that aren't going to get anything flagged or anything like that. So you've got daily here, 10 replies per day, and then you want to set the working hours. You don't want to be replying at 2 o'clock in the morning and someone's going to get a notification saying you replied to their review. Again, it doesn't look good, but also it might piss them off if they are one of those crazy people that leaves their phone on loud while they sleep. There are those crazy people out there. So typically I just keep that within working hours. And then here you can select the agent. So at the moment, if we go down, we can see we've got some different agents here which we can select. And that's because you can have a different type of agent depending on the review. So if it's a negative review, for example, you're going to have a different tone. Or you could just have an agent which is quite general and it could respond with the same tone for both. But if you've got a few really negative reviews that you want to reply to, you can set it to go back to them. You could also have some kind of really chipper agent, which is going to be going back to all the positive reviews. So you're going to select the reviews that you want to happen. So I want to do Axel Dazzle. I want to do my legacy reviews AI, and you're going to have a whole list of agents that you created here. Now, in a second, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So we're going to create drip campaign, and you'll see that it's scheduled there, and you're going to see all the kind of replies and how many it's done and everything like that. Now, down here, you can see create agent. So you could go to create starter agents. So starter agents are just if you want them to respond to all the reviews. So it's a kind of general person that it doesn't matter if it's negative or positive or whatever. This is just going to be a kind of a general agent. But if you want someone that's got maybe a little bit more empathy and you want them to respond to your negative reviews, you could go to create agent and you can see all the different ones here. So Claire Flair, I love these names. Claire Flair, she's going to get all the positive reviews. So she's quite authoritative. She reflects a deep sense of expertise and reliability. And this is a good one for the kind of good reviews. This one here, Grace Space. The prompt here for Grace is you will be provided with negative reviews of the business. Write a heartfelt and empathetic response that acknowledges the customer's concerns. The reason why it's quite good to have it split is that if someone comes back and says great product, and then someone comes back with a really deep sense of empathy and they're like, thank you so much. That means so much to us. And it's like way over the top. You're like, what is going on here? So I typically have a general one, but I do also set up one for negative as well. So that if there is something that really needs a little bit more empathy, a little bit more emotion attached to it, then Grace Space can just kick in and she can start responding to my reviews and it's a little bit of a better tone. But there's lots of different options here, so you can look and see which agents you want. And then when you're creating your drip campaign, you can select all the ones that you would want as options. And then based on the reviews, you can see here, so Grace Space, she's got her prompt instructions. She's going to be empathetic and solution orientated. You can set the language of it, so it can be fixed or dynamic. Dynamic means it's going to change depending on what they've said. So it's going to kind of match the review that's been written. You can put in your language, change any of those here. You can put in your review source. So you may say, for example, you don't want to have Grace Space jumping in and replying to your negative reviews on Facebook, but you do want her doing them on Google. But you can just set them to all if you want to. And then for Grace Space, because she's looking at the negative reviews, then she's going to jump in when it's 2 stars or below. She's got a lot more empathy, so I want to go for them. Otherwise, just the general agent can speak to the rest of them. And then here, you can actually generate a response just so that you can test it and see what Grace Space is going to come back with. I don't know who comes up with these names, honestly, but it's going to generate a response for us and it's going to come back and it's going to show us exactly what we would say. So Jacob, I'm sorry we fell short of a perfect experience and truly appreciate you noting that our place is clean and well maintained. It's going to take the information that he's actually said in the review. Please DM us or contact our team with any suggestions so we can address them promptly and earn that 5th star. We're committed to improving. So it's a really nice response to a bad review, and then we can click save. So you can see here we've got all our list of agents, and obviously whenever a review comes in, it's going to choose which is the best agent that's right for them. So that is it for Reviews AI. So you can set it up so that it can automatically respond to new reviews, but it's also going to go back and respond to all of your old reviews as well. And you can actually set the tone to make sure that you're happy with all the responses that are going out. And of course, if ever you're not happy, come back and keep iterating, create a new agent, give it some more prompting, let it know what it is that you didn't like about it. You can always come in here and click edit, and you may say, don't ever say this word, or when you wrote this before, I didn't like it, don't use that again. But most of the time, the responses are going to be really good. So that is it for Reviews AI. I told you it was going to be a quick one, but we are set up and ready to go. We have covered a lot, but here's the thing. Information is one thing. Implementation is another. Now, if you sign up to GoHighLevel through my affiliate link below, or if you upgrade your existing account through me, you're going to unlock access to my private AI and automation community, which is made for more AI membership. Now, with this, you're going to get my complete snapshot library, all of my training videos, all of my templates, all of my workflows. I also give you all of my courses on all the other AI foundational trainings as well. So prompting and vibe coding and things like that. So if you really want to get involved in the AI space, it's a great place to be. Plus, I will also teach you how to become an AI consultant and sell AI audits for businesses. So if you want to have access to all of that, you can join my community. I do weekly live coaching. There's an amazing community of other people that are doing it. You get access to all of my courses, and it is an amazing space to be. Now, if you're already with GoHighLevel and you want to be part of this space and you want to have access to all of that, that's not a problem. You can still access. Below is a link to join my community. You just pay a small monthly membership, and then you'll also be able to join as well. So if you are ready to stop duct taping your business altogether and you want to start scaling smart with systems that work while you sleep, then hit that link. Or if you want to capitalize on this huge AI gold rush that we're in and you want to learn how to become an AI consultant, then click the link below. You can join the community, or again, as I said, sign up through my affiliate link, and I cannot wait to see you in there. So if you love this video, make sure you give me a like and subscribe, and also let me know in the comments below what you want more of. Is there something that I missed? Is there something that you want in the next video? But also let me know what you took away from this. I really love reading your comments. So that is it. I can't wait to see you in the community. I can't wait to see you on the next video. Bye.